never start because kamu takut kau akan fail. You never ride because kau takut kau akan aksiden. Apa kamu takut-takut nih? Kau ingat kita punya kehidupan panjang? Tidak guys. Kalau kamu memang takut motosikal berat, motosikal besar, motosikal bahaya, we try with something small dulu. And today, I have a small and cute and fun bike for you. Alright, this is the CF Moto Papio X01 Racer. A renewed edition, we shall say, daripada yang lama punya release in 2023. Ini features upgrade in ergonomics, dia lagi selesa untuk duduk, dia punya handlebar lagi tinggi. And finally, dia full fairing sudah. OMG, so sexy. Okay. Ini motosikal is so nice to look at, even if people yang kasih tahu kak, ayah bagus kau beli kapcai lah, itu duit lah, boleh beli kapcai 1.5 sudah. In the end of the day, kalau kamu park di tepi jalan, dia yang tengok dulu tuh.
Ayo, cantik kau tu Papio. Ayo, ayo.
So, don't really care about what people say. If you don't start riding today, mana tahu nanti kau tua sudah, you might regret it. So, if you want to get started, let's start with something nice, right? Nice and cute and beautiful and fun. And as usual, we review from front to back. Let's go! And for the year 2026 punya model, before we get into the deep dive, I just want to show you three beautiful colors. The first one being the anime-inspired Vocaloid Hatsune Miku Edition. If you like something that is a little bit cool, right? This is the one. Tapi kalau kamu punya otak suci putih kan, mau customize sendiri, mau cat, mau stiker sendiri, boleh beli yang full putih pun ada. Tapi kalau recently kamu tengok sudah Dune punya anime kan, yang sangat cantik kan, you can go with the Orange Dusk model. I don't know what's the name, I just call it Orange Dusk because itulah, dia nampak macam. So for the 2026 edition, not much has changed dari depan lah. Dia masih pakai upside down forks and dia punya tire masih lagi yang 12 inches punya very cute, very beautiful scooter tires. And then dia punya lampu lagi masih lagi 1X, 1O punya because nama dia Papio XO Racer. Front actually never really changed, they still feature ABS, tapi dia ada additional traction control. Okay, so that means apa? Kalau kamu jalan, let's say kau lose grip or whatever, your rear view is going to manage punya speed supaya kau tidak terslide. Okay? So this is good for who? Good for you. Yang kalau kamu baru mau start ride satu motosikal, okay, for the first time. Alright? So the front, not much to talk about, but you will notice on the Hatsune Miku Champion Blue color scheme, dia punya Fox is gold color compared to the others, which is black. So, nicer lah. Okay, now let's look at other things. Kalau kamu rider yang baru kan, takut betul yang boleh jalan wow, terus sampai 1214 kan. In the Papio punya case, you don't have to worry. Dia punya engine masih lagi the same 9 horsepower and 9 Nm of torque of extreme fun. Boleh sampai 90 to 100 km per hour. Kalau kamu punya badan allow. Apa maksud? Kalau ini motosikal kan kau simpan apa tuh atlet The Rock atau Rikishi Sumo atas kan memang dia tidak akan jalan, you know, very fast lah. But if you are a normal size guy like me, yeah, you should be able to take it to 90 hingga 100 km per hour. So I don't think that is a scary speed for new riders.
Absolutely not. Absolutely not.
And as a new rider, you get to look the coolest on this motorcycle because now it is fully fairing. It really looks like a beautiful champion racer. Okay? Kalau orang tengok kau punya,
But look at you, apa sport bike oh?
memang sport bike guys. You know why? Because dia ada kepak guys. Ada chicken wing. Now this whole motorcycle kan actually dia punya biggest advantage and selling point is dia punya overall aesthetic. Okay, dia punya aesthetic, sangat aesthetic. Okay, so dengan dia punya retro style apa tu tail lights yang macam McLaren F1 punya, oh, very classic round lights, and dia punya exhaust yang tuck all the way under the tail kan. You cannot find this design anywhere in other categories. Okay, Which is why even though CF Moto last time kan before the Papio came out, like when nobody really care much about mini bikes, okay, orang tengok Honda Grom like kecil, tengok Honda Navi like yeah, what's that? So CF Moto suddenly ambil Papio, and then the whole world changed. Okay, so this motor is not just a beginner motor yang simple, you know. This motor actually helped a lot of beautiful ladies started their motorcycle punya career. Start sudah ambil motorcycle berkonvoi-konvoi, berbilion-bilion Papio sekali. Okay, so this is actually an inspirational bike that CF Moto has made lah. Okay, so one of the things that is a bit scary juga about ni motorcycle is dia punya signal is a bit low. Okay, so masa kau sisip tu, you make sure after you sisip, you power depan so that people can see your signal lights. Okay, because it's a bit too low. Kalau kamu highlight, kamu baru nampak tu. Okay, so just take note of this lah. Tire belakang masih lagi the same. Okay, 12-inch punya tire, 120 juga. And then it's powered by a single monoshock yang boleh adjust preload lah. So kalau kamu biar badan besar sikit, macho sikit, handsome sikit, tak apa, can one. Just not too big not too big. Okay. Bukan cakap badan saja.
Banana. Stuart? Banana. Banana.
Now, ada lagi saya punya complain, just one complaint lah, okay? So when you look at the stickers ni kan, dari jauh dia nampak sangat cantik, but when you look close kan, like, what the hell is racing tracks? what more fun? What talent trophy? Where trophy? Is it a racetrack trophy? So okay, last time I would tell you just to buka all the stickers because actually ni stickers semua boleh buka ni. But now daripada kita buka, why not we make it looks like a real race bike? Okay, beli stiker Shui, tampal. Beli Brembo, tampal. Belilah apa kau mau lagi. Kau mau simpan tayar punya brand Michelin, tampal. Kasih tampal dia supaya it looks like a real race bike.
Hi guys, Editor Maxu here. Okay, so basically I just found out that the CF Moto Talent Trophy actually means something. Okay, so what CF Moto is doing is dia ambil talent yang muda-muda yang ingin belajar macam mana racing pakai motosikal, and then kasih training dorang supaya dorang when they grow outside represent CF Moto punya team to race. So the talent trophy is actually a good thing to leave on the bike maybe. It means something. Okay, that's it. See you.
Now welcome to the cockpit of the Universal Fun Bike CF Moto Papio X01 Racer. Okay, on the Racer punya spec kan, the clock is the same. Okay, dia punya dash is the same. Dia punya butang-butang is all the same. Apa yang tidak same is dia punya handlebars kan, dulu clip-on di bawah. Sekarang dia naik sudah pergi atas sikit supaya it's more comfortable kalau kamu bawa jalan jauh. Alright. And it's more comfortable for beginner juga yang baru start their punya journey ride motorcycle. Okay, so on the left here, if you look at it, you'll see that there's rev, and here is your speed, your gear indicator, sama your fuel. All your warning lights will be on also the dash itself lah. Okay, not much, very simple there. Then on the kiri side, you'll see you have the trigger punya highlight, and then this is your your highlight and low beam. Here is your horn, and then your signals, very simple. And then if you look at the far left here, you will see these very beautiful bar end mirrors yang kau boleh position either at the bottom or on the top, up to you. But I like bar end mirrors because it doesn't obstruct kau punya view. So masa kau jalankan macam kau you and the road and the motor saja. Okay. On the right side pula, you have your fuel primer, ignition sekali, sama hazard lights. Now, one of the things I'm going to tell you is dia punya USB port in all this motorcycle, dia actually ada slot sini, tapi kau mesti mau tambah the USB port sendiri. Okay? Dia bagi, tapi dia tidak bagi full lah. So, terpaksa lah, customize sendiri. Okay? Now, selalu saya tunjuk kamu kan si Iqbal duduk motor yang besar. Now, saya tunjuk kau Giant Jericho on small bikes. Now, just now you've seen Mr. Jericho, the Giant, on the motorcycle. It makes it look like a baby bike. I think I'm better lah. 175, standard 65 kilos. And ni motosikal kan actually one of the greatest appeal kan. Okay, other than dia punya handlebar sudah raised, dia punya foot position on the middle bukan at the back, comfortable lagi, plus. And kalau kamu memang beginner yang baru mau start your journey kan, jangan lupa dia punya weight 113 kilo sahaja. Okay, to give you a point of comparison, kalau kamu cari satu naked bike yang biasa lah, let's say we take the CF Moto NK 450 lah, okay, 450cc, that one is around 165 kilos. So it's like, yeah, kalau kamu jatuh first time, you as a beginner, you'll be like, ayah, how ah? Ayah, mau ambil pun susah. But if you're on a Papio, 113 kilos ni kan, on a bike like this, actually, siapa-siapa pun boleh angkat. It's very, very beginner friendly. All you need to think about is mana kau mau pergi and what kind of fun kau mau ada sahaja. Alright, so now let's do the sound check. As you can see, even for 126cc punya very beautiful tamper, dia punya sound pun not bad. Huh? Imagine kalau kamu tukar dia punya slip-on lagi. Alright guys, so you join me outside on the great outdoors. And now we are on the CF Moto Papio X01 Racer full fairing. New edition for 2026 and let's go for a ride. Now, at first thought, okay, I really feel like I'm sitting on a toy motorcycle. Right. But yeah, the first gear surprisingly torquey. Okay, boleh naik juga. Speed very fast. Okay, I think the gear levers need to be adjusted lah because yeah, not properly adjusted. Time to get more naik gear. But as usual, let's go. A little bit fast. 1, 2, 3. Wow, punya senang kamu buang kiri kanan this guy. OMG. Ooh. Okay. Now, as usual, sebagai satu orang yang ride 700cc 65 on a daily basis kan, yeah, power doesn't really impresses me, but what impresses me is dia punya agility kan. Punya senang dia mau corner. Okay, now let's do hill test. Ayah, jangan miss dia, chill. Dan abang reflection kaca tadi pun like OMG. This motor is so cute. Alright, second gear. Engine brake dia boleh tahan. Okay. Tapi engine brake dia ada suara woo, tapi dia stop the bike really well lah. Okay. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to try pull from second gear. Tengok ada jalan ke tidak. Okay. 3, 2, okay, build up some breath dulu. 3, 2, 1. Oh, jalan juga. Wow. 9 healthy Newton meters of torque. Okay, now you see how you can have fun on this, okay? Okay, tadi the motorcycle tires kind of like stop a little bit. Okay, I think that one is the ABS and the traction control working together. Okay, now let's do a proper hill test. See kalau dia naik gunung boleh sampai 30 ke tidak. Itu kita pakai gold standard sudah ni. 1, 2, 3. Wow. Boleh ya? Okay. Boleh sampai around 40 juga kalau naik gunung. If you shift properly. And then this being a single cylinder yang memang tamper, kita cakap lah kan. Dia small cylinder tanpa, so dia punya rev actually we can go quite high walaupun dia single cylinder. Okay, kita akan cakap sudah. It's very fast, not really very fast. Adequately fast and very nimble. Kiri kanan kau buang-buang, no worries. And saya akan nampak kamu di showroom. So after riding this motorcycle yang kecil, ringan and sangat-sangat cute ni, well, it's 100% a fun bike true and true lah. Okay, dia bukan saja fun yang kamu bilang, oh you park it under a cafe shop and then you take a few pictures, done. It handles perfect. Dia punya power cukup for you to have fun. Kalau mau sisip, mau corner, it's amazing platform untuk kalau kamu baru start, ada lui sikit baru dapat gaji pertama, and then kamu plan sudah mau ambil bike, you can look at this one first. Okay, there's nothing wrong kalau kamu mau beli Kapjai, that is very day-to-day punya bike. But if you want to have something with more personality, more design yang sangat-sangat nicely curated by CF Moto, I think this is where you should look. This is the new CF Moto Papio X01 Racer yang harga dia RM9,888. Boleh jumpa ini motosikal di the only CF Moto showroom in Kota Kinabalu, Sabah. Come here. I'll see you next time.
Enemy spotted.
Max 2 out, nah. Max 2 out.
How you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.